Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to show you the simple use of XLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Before using the XLOOKUP, first of all let's understand what is the data and requirement. In this Excel sheet I have a sales report that has item ID in the column A, item name in the column B, then the sales quantities from column C to H for different months. From this data source, here in this another table, I need to display the information of item name and their quantity sold based on the item ID that I put here in this cell. In this case, I can use the XLOOKUP function to fetch the information from the data source. In this cell, press equal to, then type XLOOKUP, then open the bracket. In the lookup value, you have to click on this item ID. So click on this J5 cell, then put a comma. In the lookup array, you need to provide in which range you need to search for this item ID. So you have to select this item ID column of the data source. So select this range in the lookup array. Then put a comma. In the return array, select from this item name till the last column and till the last row. Close this XLOOKUP function, then press enter. And here you can see the information of item name and their sales quantity is given by XLOOKUP function. Now if you change the item ID, for example HA003, here you can see the information automatically updates. So this is the simple use of XLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this XLOOKUP function, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.